Hi guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel. So guys, everyone facing one problem will call, my website will be crawled, it will be not indexed. So this kind of problem how we can fix by using Google Search Console option. This is a major important key point. Every website to indexing, crawling, everything we can check out by option will be called Google Search Console. This all option will be dependent by option is called XML sitemap. First of all, how to resolve it will be crawled by not indexing by particular URL. So in this purpose, any search console, the major key point is called coverage. Major key point is called coverage. In this coverage, what are the errors will occur and valid with the warnings, valid point excludes. So this option will be click here, remove the error option, checkbox will be there, properly check. In this, the below options are here. Crawl, correctly not indexed. Duplicate, Google choose different canonical than user. Discoverly, correctly not indexed. So first of all, select any one here. Effective 179 page here. In this, we are selecting one page here. The simple option, first of all, we can check for text robot files. It is block or not. It is allow, they will index will be start on the particular format. Everything will be allow option here. Next one, the click will option will be called inspect URL. This is a must and should important on the particular option. So here will be click. What option will be here in this? So URL is not on Google. What you can click for? Click for the requesting to index. Requesting to index. So what are the your website issues? Are not indexing? Properly have check on the Google Search Console option. This is a major key point for every website you can do SEO. So everyone submission is not a big task. But if you promote any kind of keyword without indexing on Google, if you promote number of times keyword, no use. Why? Because the link is not indexed on Google Search Console. If you're promoting keyword, nothing useful. So link clicks are more important. The index will be first of all we can done by where Google Search Console option. That is called Google Search Console. We can give option will be URL inspection every new links. So that one we can implement where in the particular Google Search Console option. These are the key method we can follow and rectify your indexing issues by using Google Search Console. The option name is called coverage, error, warnings, valid, and not selecting the options. This all will be compulsory important for the particular option. And don't forget, if update any links, we have to update the XML sitemap, compulsory important. XML sitemap, we have to use option name is called xml-sitemaps.com. You can go to this website. We can simply copy the URL. It's asking for three options. What are your last modification? That all will be coming to the first part. The page priority, how much will be give? Highest and lowest and medium. And page change frequently. So what are the change your content, particular URL, everything we have to check will be here always. So now click for start by XML sitemap. Is up to free. They can download up to 500 links will be here. So more than 500 links are there. How we can add them? We can go to Pro Sitemap is there, or else we can go to nimtools.com is a one more website. Here you can download more than 500 XML sitemap also, where you can go for nimtools.com. So nowadays this website will be too much so is going on. So a lot of people using for this much of website will be using for nimtools.com to download by XML sitemap. So here where you can show by XML sitemap, check it out. If you want more patience, just search for Control F. Here XML sitemap generator. just yesterday's counting stage. Here is option. Here you can they will be give up to 5,000 links. You can download up to 5,000 links will be using nimstool.com. So it will be done here. So compulsory, what are the text will be here? View tested, everything will be here. Go to coverage, exclude option. So this all will be coming to the issues here. Soft 404. So will be check. Here will be in this particular option. So everything is important and the particular coverage option will be here. So first of all, we can check this option. Remaining you can uncheck and check for will be here. Page redirection. So here what is the problem will be in the particular pages. Select it. The page is open or not. So that time you have to fix this page and click for in this particular option will be here. So this all option we can give to the particular coverage options. So don't forget. So what are the issues you are facing? That all will be we can check for blocking a robot.txt file and inspect URL. Every URL is a blocking stage. Compulsory they intimate by the which one? Coverage. So what are the issues we will find out? So first of all option crawl, correctly not index, duplicate, Google choose different canonical than user and discovered, correctly not index, alternative page with the proper canonical tag and duplicate submit URL not select as a canonical, duplicate without user selected canonical, page with redirect and soft 404 and crawl anomaly. So these all options are we have to find out simple steps. Select which URL you have to index it. Select this option. First check the robot.txt file. Before any option, you have to update in XML sitemap first a priority. After that, inspect URL. Now starting indexing on the particular option. Now click after finishing text live URL. So this is a procedure we have to follow for every pages to this index on the Google search results. The page will be not there. They will be go to the company remove from the Google Search Console. They will update. Any files will be update only based on your XML sitemap updation. This is a first priority on your website to will be update on the every link on the particular website. Don't forget, always you have to check two things, coverage issues and site maps. For most of the effective will be errors and soft 404 errors and not crawl the errors. So this will be find out on the Google Search Console, perfect working on the SEO search engine optimization and promote your keywords based on your index URL first priority. So follow these instructions and promote your website, get good results on your search engine optimization on the every search results. So it will go into index here. Done. Text live URL. So don't forget, follow the steps and update your canonical on this particular Google Search Console option. Update by your index issues on using Google Search Console coverage option. Previous Google Search Console and this Search Console completely different. So follow these instructions. Index your website on the search engine optimization purpose. So final stage here. After this, just click here and download is XML sitemap. Same will be here. Same year date and mentioned by the today date and it will be always frequency you can search for high and how many links you can want 5,000 today date always date will be mentioned by here or just created by here. They will start by the uploading the download the files. So everything will be here in this nim tools and in your particular options are here. They here. If you go for Pro one, what is the charges? I'll show you here. If you go for 1,000 to 1 million per month. You can pay for $3.49. So go this pro account. So this is a method we have to follow your particular website to updating for non-indexing issues by using Google Search Console option each and every website for indexing purpose. Finally, you will come in this option. No worry about that. They will getting problem. Once again refresh, the problem will be fixed. If your problem will be mobile usability, check with developers and fix your mobile usable issues. When you click, they give you the complete information. Update your website on the mobile usability issues. So follow these instructions. Compulsory you can index your each and every URL on your particular website. Which one? Search console URL inspection. Anybody have doubts, ask me in my channel comment box. I definitely will be support each and every website how you can fix your issues on your particular website. Thank you. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.